Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fauzi. I'm from Industrial of Bandung Islamic University. Here I want to tell you how my vacation trip in Mount Prau. Back in late 2020, and I and my brother went to Mount Prau in the province of Central Java. We depart from Sukabumi to Bandung because there was a friend of my brother's waiting of us for us to rest there. We left during the day, and until that night, the journey was really tiring because I had to carry a bag that was quite large and heavy. After being tired of taking a long and tiring time, we finally arrived at my brother's friend's house. There we immediately cleaned up and had dinner together. And after that, we talked about tomorrow's departure and what needs the prepared for the climb. In the middle of the conversation, we were invited to go together with another group, which means that a lot of people went there. Of course, we immediately discussed whether we want to go together, which at first we would go alone without the other groups. After discussing, we decided to go together because in the calculation, it would be very cheap when together with another group. Of course, we got free ticket for departure, but we had to help the team. We immediately agreed. After talking, we decided to have enough rest to tomorrow we can be fresh again on our departure. The next day, after resting enough, I clean up for tonight departure is because there were quite a lot of us who took part in trip this mountain. After gathering at the meeting point, we chat with friends from various regions. Chatting with them, I feel awkward because this was my first time climb while they had been for a long time. After talking for quite a while, we were immediately ordered to get into the bus. On the way, I just talked with my brothers. We talked about climate, and I asked more often than my brothers. After arriving at the location of the climb site, we rushed to go to the base camp to rest, eat, and clean up. At 10 a.m., after use, we immediately rushed to go to registration area. We waited a long time and finally finished. At 12 noon, we immediately left the base camp, and our way it took us 5 and 6 hours to get to the campsite. After arriving the camp, we were immediately prepared with tents. Briefly, there was those who went up first to be able to set up tent above. At the end of the years, there were a lot of people who want to climb this mountain because the availability of place to camp is very limited. We were all very tired because so many climb camp. I immediately changed clothes because on the way up and down the rain was quite heavy, which caused my clothes to be slightly exposed to the rain, and sweat was running down my body. The second day at Prau, the weather was very foggy and also very cold. Early in the morning, we all went to the top of the mountain to see the sunrise. After hour of traveling to the top, finally we were able to reach this peak very moved, but the fog still development that morning. Coincidentally, we hiked past the Independence Day of the Indonesian nation. At the top, we sang Indonesian National Anthem assembly and was followed by other climbers. The second day was our last day on this mountain. We were all quite satisfied with this climb. After everything, after we rushed down and when we arrived at the base camp, we all cleaned up and rested comfortably. After that, we all headed to the bus go to Bandung, but not with me and my brother, because we will continue our journey to Dieng and stay for a few more days. Maybe that's enough of my vacation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.